Hi, yesterday we saw something a little unsettling. Prime numbers follow rules. They are completely determined, and yet they appear almost random. We can estimate where they are, but we cannot predict them exactly. And that raises a deeper question. If there is a pattern, what is it? And why cannot we fully see it? Mathematicians have been asking that question for hundreds of years, trying to understand that hidden structure behind the primes. And one idea in particular has stood at the center of that research. It's called the Riemann Hypothesis. This hypothesis is not something that we have proven. It is still an open question. In fact, one of the most famous unsolved problems in all of mathematics. At its heart, it asks, is there a deeper order to where prime numbers appear? An order so precise that if we could fully understand it, we could almost predict the primes themselves. Now, what is remarkable is that we have tested this idea again and again, and every time it seems to hold true. But no one has been able to prove it. Not yet. So, here we are. We can explain prime numbers to a child. We can prove they go on forever. We can even estimate how often they appear. And yet, we still do not fully understand them. And one more cool thing about this story. For most of history, we studied prime numbers simply out of curiosity. No clear use, no practical need. And yet today, they sit at the heart of internet security. Every time you send a message, make a purchase, or log into an account, prime numbers are working behind the scenes. So something that began as pure exploration has become part of the structure that holds our digital world together. And the strange part is we still do not fully understand them. How far will we go to understand the primes? Or will they always be just beyond our reach? Not reaching the end is not a failure. It is what makes it worth exploring. Because it reminds us that even in a world of logic and certainty, there is still mystery, still room to explore, still something ahead of us. So today, as you reflect on prime numbers, consider this: the deeper we go, the more we realize there is more to see, not less. And tomorrow we will step back and ask what all of this might mean.